Have you been feeling more tired than usual? A little bloated? Or just not quite like yourself lately? It might not be age, it could be what's on your plate. After 60, our bodies change. The way we digest food, absorb nutrients, and even feel hunger, it all shifts quietly over time. But here's the good news. Just a few small, natural changes to how you eat can help you feel lighter, clearer, and more energized, starting this week. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 gentle, doctor-reviewed eating tips designed especially for life after 60. Each one is easy to try, backed by science, and kind to your body. Welcome to my Senior Health Tips. I'm David and I'm really glad you're here. This channel is a calm, trusted space for anyone over 60 who wants to feel better, stay active, and make sense of all the health advice out there. Every week, I share simple, doctor-reviewed tips that actually work. No hype, no confusion, and no pressure to be perfect. Just small, real changes that can make a big difference over time. Whether you're trying to eat better, move more, sleep deeper, or just feel more in control of your health, this is for you. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and tap subscribe. I'd love to have you along for the journey. Tip 1. Prioritize protein. Tip number 1. Make protein a daily priority. This one change can do wonders for your energy, strength, and even independence. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. It starts gradually, often in our 60s, and can make everyday tasks like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or carrying groceries feel harder than they used to. But here's the good news. You can slow that muscle loss and even rebuild strength by including good quality protein in every meal. Now, when we say protein, we don't just mean red meat. In fact, variety is key. Some excellent and senior-friendly protein options include eggs, soft, affordable, and easy to digest; chicken or turkey, lean and lower in saturated fat; fish, like salmon or tuna, which also provide healthy fats for your heart and brain; tofu or tempeh, for those who prefer plant-based choices; beans, lentils, and chickpeas, rich in both protein and fiber; Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, gentle on digestion, with extra calcium for your bones. Aim for around 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, which might look like 2 eggs and toast at breakfast, a chicken salad for lunch, or a portion of fish and vegetables at dinner. Spacing your protein out through the day, not just loading up at dinner, gives your body what it needs to maintain muscle, support your immune system, and help you stay active. If chewing is difficult or you have a smaller appetite, soft or blended options work well too. Scrambled eggs, smoothies with protein powder, or even adding powdered milk to soup can help you meet your protein needs without discomfort. And don't forget, protein doesn't just help your muscles. It also plays a big role in healing wounds, maintaining healthy skin, and keeping your metabolism steady. So, whether it's starting your morning with eggs, adding lentils to soup, or choosing yogurt as a snack, every small protein choice adds up. Let's keep our bodies strong from the inside out. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated, even when you don't feel thirsty. As we age, our body's natural sense of thirst becomes less reliable. That means by the time you actually feel thirsty, your body may already be mildly dehydrated, and that can affect everything from your energy and memory to your balance and digestion. Even slight dehydration can make you feel tired, foggy, or dizzy. It can also make constipation worse, which is already more common after 60. So, how much should you be drinking? A good general goal is 6 to 8 cups of fluid per day. But don't worry, it doesn't all have to be plain water. You can get your fluids from herbal teas, diluted fruit juices, soups, broths, or even water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, or watermelon. Still, water is best. Try sipping throughout the day instead of chugging all at once. Keep a glass or bottle nearby on your kitchen counter, your bedside table, or wherever you spend time. If it's visible, you're more likely to remember it. If you don't like the taste of plain water, try adding a slice of lemon, cucumber, or a few fresh mint leaves. Lightly flavored waters can feel more refreshing and still give your body what it needs. For some people, certain medications can increase the risk of dehydration, especially water pills or laxatives. If that's you, staying on top of your fluid intake is even more important. Check with your doctor if you're unsure. And if you're managing a condition, kidney disease or heart failure, your doctor may give you specific fluid limits. Always follow those first. One more tip: don't rely on thirst alone. Make it a gentle habit, like sipping tea with breakfast, having a glass of water before your walk, or keeping a cup by your favorite chair. Good hydration keeps your joints cushioned, your brain sharp, and your body running smoothly. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Tip 3. Eat the rainbow. Tip number 3. Eat the rainbow. That means adding a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to your plate each day. Why is this so important after 60? Because each color brings its own unique set of nutrients, and together, they help protect your body in powerful ways. For example, orange and yellow foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash are rich in vitamin A, which supports your vision and immune system. Red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, red peppers, and strawberries contain antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Green veggies, especially leafy ones like spinach, kale, and broccoli, are packed with vitamin K, calcium, and folate, all essential for bone strength, brain health, and circulation. Blue and purple foods like blueberries, grapes, and eggplant are full of anthocyanins, which have been linked to better memory and brain function. And white or tan produce, such as onions, garlic, and cauliflower, may help support your immune system and balance cholesterol levels. The key is variety. No single food has everything your body needs, but by eating a mix of colors throughout the week, you're giving yourself a wide range of fiber, vitamins, and protective antioxidants. Fiber is especially important after 60. It helps regulate digestion, lowers cholesterol, and keeps blood sugar steady. Colorful fruits and vegetables are a natural, delicious way to get more of it. If fresh produce isn't always available, frozen vegetables are a great backup. They're often picked and frozen at peak ripeness, which locks in nutrients. Just check for low or no added salt. Try this. Make half your plate fruits and vegetables at most meals. Add berries to breakfast, a salad or veggie soup at lunch, and steamed or roasted veggies at dinner. Small changes can make a big difference. One color, one meal at a time. Tip 4. Watch salt and sugar. Tip number 4. Keep an eye on salt and sugar. It's not about cutting everything out, it's about making smarter choices that help your body stay balanced. Let's start with salt. As we age, our risk of high blood pressure increases, and too much sodium can make it worse, putting strain on the heart, kidneys, and even your brain. Salt hides in more places than you might think. Processed foods like canned soups, frozen meals, deli meats, sauces, and even bread can sneak in more than half your daily limit without you realizing. That's why reading labels becomes so important. Try to aim for less than 1,500 milligrams of sodium a day, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Instead of salt, flavor your food with herbs, garlic, lemon juice, or spices. These add taste without raising your blood pressure. Now let's talk about sugar. Too much added sugar can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of diabetes, all things we want to avoid as we get older. And just like salt, sugar hides in places you wouldn't expect, like flavored yogurts, salad dressings, granola bars, and even canned vegetables. Look for foods labeled no added sugar or unsweetened. And when you want something sweet, try natural sources like fruit or smaller portions of your favorite treats, just balanced out with healthier meals. A great habit is to check the nutrition label. If sugar is one of the first ingredients, or if the product has more than 6 to 9 teaspoons of added sugar per day, it may be time to swap it out. Here's a simple example. Instead of sugary cereal, try plain oats with berries. Swap soda for sparkling water with lemon. Choose no salts canned beans and rinse them before using. It's not about perfection, it's about awareness. The more you know what's in your food, the more control you have over how you feel. And small steps, like seasoning with herbs or skipping that extra pinch of sugar, can truly protect your heart, your energy, and your long-term health. Tip 5. Make mealtime enjoyable. Tip number 5. Make mealtime something you look forward to. Healthy eating isn't just about nutrients. It's about comfort, connection, and even joy. After 60, many people start to feel less excited about food, maybe due to a smaller appetite, living alone, or changes in taste and routine. But turning meals into meaningful moments can actually improve both your mood and your health. One simple change: try creating a calm, pleasant environment. That might mean sitting by a window with natural light, putting on soft music, or using a nice plate and placemat. These little touches tell your brain, this is a moment to enjoy. If you live alone, consider setting a regular mealtime with a friend over the phone or video. Even sharing a cup of tea at the same time each day can build connection. Cooking can also be therapeutic. Whether it's a familiar family recipe or a simple soup, preparing your own meals even just once a day can bring a sense of purpose and pride. Don't worry if your cooking skills are basic. Healthy meals can be very simple. Scrambled eggs and spinach, a vegetable stir-fry with tofu or chicken, canned beans tossed with olive oil, garlic, and tomatoes. And if cooking isn't always possible, you can still enjoy your meals. Focus on how food smells, looks, and tastes. Slow down, chew well, take your time. Eating mindfully helps your body digest better and helps you feel more satisfied. Another tip: if you've lost your sense of taste or smell, which can happen with age or medication, add gentle seasonings like herbs, cinnamon, citrus, or a touch of vinegar to enhance flavor without overwhelming your senses. Food should never feel like a chore. It's part of what keeps us connected to our culture, to our memories, and to each other. So light a candle, invite someone over, or simply take a quiet moment to appreciate your meal. Because eating well isn't just about living longer, it's about enjoying the life you have now. Bonus tip: cook with a friend. And here's a bonus tip: cook with someone. Healthy eating is easier and far more enjoyable when you share it with someone else. Whether it's a friend, a neighbor, a family member, or even a virtual cooking buddy, preparing a meal together turns a daily task into a meaningful moment. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just chopping vegetables, trying out a new soup recipe, or even making a simple sandwich side by side can lift your mood and deepen your connection. Studies show that shared meals promote better nutrition, reduce loneliness, and even support brain health over time. And if you don't have someone nearby, try setting a time each week to cook together over the phone or video chat. Talk through your steps, share what you're making, and enjoy that sense of being in it together. Food brings people together, and that connection can be just as nourishing as the meal itself. Those were 5 simple, powerful ways to eat well and feel better after 60. Now I'd love to hear from you. Do you already follow any of these tips? Or maybe you have one of your own that's helped you stay healthy over the years. Share it in the comments. I read everyone. Your experience might help someone else watching. And if you found even one of these tips helpful today, consider tapping subscribe. I share new, senior-friendly health videos every week, all designed to help you feel your best without the confusion or overwhelm. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.